What is up, my peeps? Welcome back to yet another amazing video. Please consider subscribing. We're almost at 1 million subs. Thank you very much. This was a weird one for me. At first I thought it was a boxer. It looks exactly the same. The only difference is the gearing. Something you can't even visualize. Single cylinder 4-stroke 150cc engine that produces about 12 horsepower at 8,500 rpm. I'm assuming these numbers are usually produced in dynos or something, where there's zero wind resistance, or the companies just straight up lie, because they never really match the expectations in the real world. From what I know, the more horsepower a bike has, the higher the potential top speed. But I digress. These days I'm afraid to comment on acceleration power, because obviously I'm spoiled by the XT660. But this one seems pretty, even compared to the Warrior, not yet. Not there yet, not there yet. See, full throttle. it's okay, but not powerful. You know, it'll get you where you want to go. It won't get stuck. You see, I wasn't even trying to compete, or rather I actually was trying to. Let's see. If he decides he's going to leave me, and I'm never going to see the Warrior again, pinned to the max. It doesn't feel weak, it's just not strong enough. It's stronger than this silica KK. It feels so nice, by the way. I'm so impressed. Nimble. It's very smooth, it's not vibrating. The bike feels weak, but performed pretty okay. I was able to get to 90 kilometers per hour on GPS, which usually translates to like 110 on the odometer. Drum brakes for both front and rear tires. Okay. Slowing down, I have to completely gear down. He obviously doesn't have the front brakes. These guys don't love the front brakes, I don't know why. They're not that terrifying. These things are not fast enough. Oh. Such terrible engine braking noise. Dual suspensions for both front and rear. They were pretty good, to my surprise. Okay, this thing feels absolutely amazing. The suspensions are one of the best. I would put them in par with the TVS. Not the 155 gear, but the 4 gear. The suspensions felt very good. Again, feels very, very, very good. Suspensions are very nice. Electric and kickstart, which is always appreciated. Adi? Nina skuma kabisa. Ama uamini ukalie. Unaweza umekaa miaka ngapi? Yeah. Acha tuone. Kuna hii ya Beth Mobility nimepost juzi. Hii ya Beth Mobility 200. Nimepost juzi, watu wanasema si bike ni rider. Kwa hivyo at least sasa ukiride hawataona nilikuwa na nini napendelea. Tunaenda uende tu alafu mimi nitakuja kwa nyuma. He does not believe that his bike is nothing. Thinks they feel the same. They're not. They're not, my friend. Let's go. I'm at gear 4. Gear 5. Especially on a hill. Very few bikes can beat the Warrior. I'm talking 200cc and below. Only the Taurus and the Levert can. I don't know how they built those bikes. Those are fantastic 150cc's. Those ones definitely
definitely will. Okay, gear down. Let's go. Do not people. It is a dual sport. Dual sports are usually geared down more, and they don't really give us a good top end. So I understand most people believe this bike is very slow, even compared to 150s. Like that extra 50cc is a big deal. Unajua watu wengi underestimate hii bike sana, sababu ni off-road.
Unajua huwa tunadai
11 horsepower. Hiyo wanasema ni ngapi?
Hiyo horsepower ni 8.8 kW.
8? Inakuwa ngapi? Hiyo sijui.
8.8
hata boxers, hata ile hiyo 200 inaitwa nini hiyo? Hiyo Beth Mobility 200 still walisema 14 horsepower.
Wanasema kana 85. Ni uongo.
85 kilometers? Hapana. Labda GPS labda.
Ikiwa hiyo ite bali juu inaenda nijaribu nifika 94. Kwa flat mahali nili. Although unajua hii inaenda sana kizoea hichi.
Kawaida ni hivyo. Saa nyingine pia unajua shida ni lazima ni limit review, sababu sina time ya ati kwenda mbali nini. But most bikes ikifunguka hata TVS 150 120 inafika vizuri sana ikishafunguka hivi.
Kwa sababu nani yako ndio unaweka kwa nyumba.
But 85 hapana, 85 ni kidogo sana. 85 ni kidogo sana, hapana.
And it's nice kwa mlima inakia.
Kwanza nilikuwa nataka kuambia kwa mlima hakuna njia inaweza. Labda turudi hivi.
Niamini naye. Although
of course. Huwa naambia watu hiyo extra 50cc ni kubwa sana. Ni kubwa sana.
Kwa sababu hii inatumianga 2.1 100 km.
2.1
liters.
100 kilometers.
2.1 100 km.
Hii ni 20.
Ni try it. Sababu ni made nayo Murang'a. It might not be in the best conditions sahihi. Sababu oil ni made nayo Murang'a na sisi.
Hata hii sasa iko kama 2000 kilometers, sijabadilisha oil.
Stay safe, ride safe.
Neutral.
Ni breki imenishika.
You need to do that. Na yetu.
Sasa ilikuwa inafanya ni vile nimeshtuka ndo.
Wow.
Hata naweza anzia naye. I've never done that. Najua gear 1. Bora uikali, mbona ikatai kwenda?
Fucking hell. Off-roadiness. Good. Absolutely fine. I need a good spot. The Haojin Warriors clutch is fucked. Let's go, Mr. Ninja. I think we can do 100. 97. This thing hates the braking of the engine. So far, I approve of this bike, but Sonlink. Chinese garbage. Chinese garbage is good garbage. This guy has had this bike for 4 years, and he bought it second hand at 70k. Now that's your good value for money. That's very good value for money. 2020. Although anyone else wouldn't have bought it at that price. He said he bought it when he didn't know anything about bikes. The way people fear Sonlinks, the buyer got a very good deal. But again, 4 years and it's performing like this, absolutely fine. If I were to advise anyone on buying these bikes, I would definitely advise to buy them new. These small ones, not the big ones. Because again, the fear, the stigma and all that. But some people are courageous and they actually end up getting way more value for money. Wow, wow, wow. I only have to rely on the rear brakes and engine braking. Gravel roads. Good. GPS speed usually reads lower than the speed on the speedometers, but some people insist that they are far more accurate, so it's fine. Yeah, 3. Whoopsie, 60. Let's go. Yeah, 5. Oh wait, I can already feel it hitting its limit. There we go, 80, 81. $87, $88, $90, okay. $90, $91. Let's go! Pedal to the metal. Oh, $90. Oh, okay. That is definitely the limit.